Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a SITERWELL combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector, and this thing is pretty neat. So it's hardwired, plus it has a battery backup. So in case of power failure, it does have a battery. So that right there is your hard wire. So right there you have your black and white, and then you have your red wire that interconnects them. Then you have your pack of batteries, which are very cool. Let's open these up and get them ready to use. And then in here is the smoke detector. So there's a lot of stuff in here. So let's open that up. So you have your mounting hardware, so you can mount that easily up into your ceiling. And it comes with a set of instructions. So there's a lot to that. Definitely read through it. It has like a wiring diagram so you can figure out the interconnect of those. And then it has just some warnings. Then this is your base plate that you would connect up to your ceiling. So these would be your entry holes for the smoke detector. And it comes in this nice little booty thing to keep it clean. So that is what the bottom of that looks like. And then the base, I can't put the base on right now because I actually opened the battery compartment and it has this clever little design in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our batteries in here. And it's probably going to get loud because it's going to do like an initial beep. And then you can close that. And there's an integrated screw compartment here that you can take that screw out and then screw that lid down. But it holds pretty tight. And then now this is where we can connect the base, and this will kind of like where it will activate that battery for you. And I think it goes kind of like that, and you can kind of twist it as long as you have it lined up properly. Okay, and before you hardwire this in, you have to basically take this screw out that is in this little compartment here, protected. So that screw comes out, and then that screw goes in there. And then with our little screwdriver, and I think I need a little bit of a smaller screwdriver. Here we go. So that will go down there. And then when you're getting this cover set up, you want to kind of like look for the orientation. Okay, I think that's about it. So we're going to take this off, and then this hard wire plug goes in this way, and that clicks through there. Then you pull this through the base. Then again, you look for how it gets mounted. Easier to do when it's mounted up in the ceiling, but I figured I'd just kind of show you. So that is that, and then your test. That's a little loud.
Carbon monoxide. Attention, monoxyde de carbone.
So it will tell you fire or carbon monoxide verbally. So that's kind of good to hear. So let's do it one more time. Pity my ears, but let's go.
Fire. Incendie. Warning, carbon monoxide. Attention, monoxyde de carbone.
So anyway, that's pretty cool. It'll tell you if it detects fire, or it'll tell you if it detects carbon monoxide, and you have those two different tones to be able to distinguish that a little bit differently. But yeah, for a hardwired, battery backed up smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector, I mean, this is it. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall, thanks for watching and be safe out there.